and I had the most almighty sneeze, no different than you've done 1,000 times in your life. And that just seemed to be the threshold. Immediate zinger down my arm. Within days, I could feel that my muscle in the back of my arm was getting weaker. I couldn't feel my fingers at all. So I knew that something bad had happened there. It was the scariest thing because here I had been someone who'd studied this phenomenon for 20 some odd years, lived a blessed life, never had any problems. And now I'm suddenly faced with this, am I ever going to get better?